everyone, welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Indian athletes on fire in Lusofonia Games, peak 5 gold medals. Archana becomes the fastest woman. Goa's Shankar and Anik win gold and silver in long jump. CM's balancing act with medium of instruction decision irks many. Prudent analyzes medium of instruction policy in a special report. Who benefited, who suffered? MOI reaction, it's not a U-turn, says Sudin. It's discriminatory, said John Fernandez. Senior Rane says policy should have been debated in House. Stakeholders from Goa mining demand 50 million tons export of ore annually. Delegations demand early resumption of mining and the ore export. Absconding director of Ruby Residency approaches High Court. Beering files petition pleading opposing demolition of 2 defective buildings. And now the news in detail. Goa, India's athletes set the competition ablaze by winning 5 gold medals out of 7 on offer on the first day of Lusofonia Games athletics at the Bamoli Stadium. Archana Susentran became the fastest woman of the games by winning the 100 meters race. Local boy Shankar Damdai and Anik won gold and silver medal in long jump. Meanwhile, the golden run continued in the table tennis as the home team won 3 more gold medals on Thursday. Goa India's gold medals are up to 13 now.
Osvaldo Moraes of Angola won the men's 100 meters race.
Of the starters order. At the moment it's going to be Mario Gaspar. Mario Gaspar has just been overhauled by Gaspar Moraes, and at the end it is Daniel Martins. That is required to be seen, yes. They are the on your mark at the moment.
Archana Susentran of Goa, India clinched the gold medal in women's 100 meters.
Lane number 3 and lane number 4. Lane number 3, so Indians going ahead. Lane number 3, lane number 4, Archana, and I think lane number 3 has come first. Just look at that. Lovely running. India and Sri Lanka. So ladies getting 3 out of 3 gold today. Concentration. Trying to get into the rhythm.
Goa's Shankar Dhamdhai bagged the gold medal in long jump, while another local boy Anik clinched the silver medal in the same event.
6.91. That's one of his best performances of the year. Winner. Yeah, Shankar, and he has jumped to the victory stand. He has crossed 7 meters. He has done 7.01 meters. And crowd is absolutely delighted. Shankar K. Dhamdhai. We have seen some magnificent races, lovely throws, good jumping, especially from the women's section, because they have got 3 out of 3 the gold, and men's, of course, have got 2.
Early on Thursday, Goa India bagged 3 more gold medals in table tennis. Harmit Desai beat his national rival Saumyajit Ghosh to win gold medal in men's singles. Saumyajit and Ankita Das clinched title in the mixed doubles category. K. Shamini and Madhurika Patkar reigned supreme in women's doubles to take Goa India's tally in table tennis to 6 gold medals. Here are some highlights of the action in basketball from Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium and beach volleyball from Miramar. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Government's Political and Educational Balancing Act is clearly visible in the medium of instruction decision considering Lok Sabha poll ahead. Government has allowed grants to minority institutions in English medium. It has also attempted to appease Konkani and Marathi mediums. Prudent brings to you in-depth analysis of the decision.
Government has tried to appease stakeholders of regional languages with its new bilingual book system. Prudent conducted a deep study of these bilingual books and its impact on English medium schools. Government will allow grants to minority institutions teaching in English as medium of instruction. Option open for English primary schools to come under Konkani Marathi schools or minority institutions where they can teach in English. Government grants to private English medium schools if they come under minority institution category and adopt English as medium of instruction. English medium schools to have bilingual books. Now let us see how Konkani Marathi medium schools are benefited with the new MOI policy. Government aid to any kind of medium schools willing to teach in Konkani Marathi. Konkani or Marathi subject compulsory in all primary schools from 1st standard to 4th standard. Konkani or Marathi subject compulsory in CBSE, ICSE schools till 10th standard. Option for English medium schools to switch over to Konkani Marathi medium. Education Minister Manohar Parrikar spoke for Marathi and Konkani during his presser after the cabinet meet on Wednesday. But what Parrikar told was not there in the drafted policy. It is as follows. Konkani or Marathi subject compulsory from 5th standard to 10th standard. Hindi will be third language, but students will have an option to choose language of their choice, French or any other. Government plans B.Ed and D.Ed courses in Konkani too. This policy decision was taken without considering the views of MOI committee members. Besides this, CM himself has been vocal on many other aspects. Now the guarantee of grants has put the rail of minority institutions on track. It is to be seen when the bilingual books and Konkani teachers reach the schools. Senior reporter Lokik Shankar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
PWD Minister Sudhin Daulikar has termed CM's medium of instruction decision as a balanced decision. Opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane has said that the policy should have been discussed in the assembly first. Congress has termed it as discriminatory decision and has said it could be challenged in the court. NCP feels that this decision is a betrayal of those 30,000 students studying in private English medium schools.
सरकाराचे MOI डिसिजन आसा पळय ते दोन तरेचे आसा. एक आमी जी घटनेक धरून जी दुरुस्ती केल्या ती एक आनी लोकांक जाय ती दुरुस्ती एक केली आसा. त्या खातीर दोनूय पेजी ज्यो आसा रायट पेज आनी लेफ्ट पेज. रायट पेज इंग्लीश आसतली, लेफ्ट पेज मराठी किंवा कोंकणी आसतली. सो नॅचरली जो भुरगो इंग्लीश शिकता जर ताका त्याचो अर्थ करना तो मराठी कडेन पळयता. एक गजाल आसा इंग्लिशीक विरोध आसा, पोर्तुगीजांक विरोध आसा, कारण ह्या लोकांनी इंग्लिशांनी आमची इंडियेची वाट लायल्या आणि पोर्तुगीजांनी आमची गोंयची वाट लायल्या. ना यू टर्न म्हणजे कितें? यू टर्न म्हणजे आमी काबार करप. आमी काबार करूं ना.
Congress don't say that it is a wise decision. We said that it is a discriminatory decision. It will not stand the test of judicial scrutiny. So I feel it is a discriminatory decision. And that decision will not be able to be implemented because it will not stand test of legal jurisprudence. कोणी वचून stay करूंक शकता. And government is aware of this ploy, and therefore government has done this not to give this facility to this institution. They only want to say, oh, we gave it, court stopped it. And begin decision घेतला election येवचें आसा म्हणून. And it is a decision to appease a minority community.
म्हणजे नवेन काय केल्लें ना ते जे पयलींच जे जशें तेंच्यांनी दिल्लें म्हणजे हेचेर एक चर्चा जावंक जाय आसली आनी वेगवेगळे जे विचार आसात ते आयकून घेवंक जाय सरकारान. असेंब्लीन चर्चा जाली आनी शिक्षण तज्ञांचे विचार विनिमय करून मागीर निर्णय घेवंक जाय. देर इज नथींग न्यू इन इट बट देर शूड बी डिस्कशन. म्हणजे तेंच्यांनी जे डिसिजन घेतला तेचेर आमचेय विचार घेवंक जाय आसले.
He has betrayed. There are 30,000 students who are still studying in English. You see, they have been kept out.
The private English medium
private English medium schools.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.